Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. As we have started our parenting vlog, so this is part of this parenting vlog. This is another video for wipes. So for baby we need wipes 24/7. So in a day we need to use wipes for any number of times, whether baby is doing potty or susu. So it's urinating or it's for its latrine we need to use this wipes, and we are using, will tell our personal experience which wipes we are using, and we feel this wipes is very good and very price effective, pocket friendly also. So first I'll show you from where I purchased these wipes. Friends, this is a combo pack of two wipe packs, each containing 72 wipes. So it is costing us only 71 rupees. However, if you want to purchase it separately, one by one, it will cost you 99 rupees. So as you can see, this is one pack of the wipe which we are already using, and another pack is still not used. That also I am going to show you. So this is the another pack which is we yet to open it. Okay. So using these wipes are very easy. Here there is one option. Here is an option to open it. Here is an option to open this, open and reseal. So you can open it from here, take out the wipes and again reseal and close it. So friends, we are using these wipes for a couple of reasons. Firstly, it is containing vitamin E, which is very much essential for the baby. It's having aloe vera and chamomile, and it's for sensitive skin of baby, right? It is dermatologically safe. So other than that, it's very hygienic, very nice flavor, and it's pocket friendly as well, as I have told. So I have already shown you how to take the wipes out. I'm going to tell you some of the warnings. So it is for external use only. Do not enter it in the mouth of your baby, nose of your baby, right? It's for external wipe use only. Okay, and you should store it in a cool and dry place. Don't put it in sunlight at any time. So keep it away from sunlight always. The warnings are written in the pack also, but I'm just letting you know. Okay, and it should not be eaten by the children at any point of time. If that has happened, please consult to your doctor, right? You should not try to use it on the face of the baby. Try to avoid eye contact, please. Okay, and it is for one time use only. So once you use it once, throw it away to the dustbin bag. Okay, and you should, as I told, it should dispose it to the dustbin. And any issue if the baby is facing, our baby is not facing any issue. We have used it for almost more than 4 weeks. So baby is not facing issue, baby is healthy and there is no issue. So we are going to continue this for our future use. And after using it for almost a month only, we are coming up with this video, because many of you, the upcoming parents or the current parents, may have a question on which wipes to be used. So this is the wipes which we are using and we are going to continue it. So this is the wipes, friends, which we are using and we are going to continue it, because baby skin and everything remains very good. There is no rashes, no issues, no itching. So that's why we are going to use this. 2 pack of it, it cost only 71 rupees per pack. I don't remember exactly per pack or both pack. I'll check that and I'll provide the link in the description so that you can go and find it and buy it. It's one of the best seller in Flipkart. I saw it, the ratings are very good. So after doing a research only, I decided to purchase this one. So I would recommend the same for you also. So I'm going to provide you the link in the Flipkart link in the description box. Do try this out and I'm sure you will be happy after using this. So thanks for watching this video, guys. We'll come back with a couple of more videos on parenting, especially for the newborn baby. because we are also learning and we are seeing what is suiting to the baby, and after seeing that only we are coming up with the video. In case something is not suiting for us, for that also we'll come back with another video. So stay with us. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please do click on the like button and encourage us. Please do subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon for getting the notifications of our upcoming interesting videos. For our new video, stay tuned. Till then, bye bye.